Hey guys, my name is Mohan. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the curvature of the mouth and all the important things about the shape of the lips. Generally, everything you need to know about the lips and mouth when you want to draw them. Well, we draw a hypothetical line in the middle of the lips, horizontal and also vertical. Now, the upper part of the lip, these two peaks, is sort of two sloping lines which increase their distance when they come down. The intersection of these sloping lines with the horizontal lines are the most important points in the shape of the lips. Actually, lips have three important volumes. Two spheres on the lower lip and one in the middle of the upper part. These form the main volume of the lips. Let's see how the skull, how the jaws are under the face, or rather to say how the lips cover the teeth. This is the general shape of the teeth. It has a cylindrical shape, so the lips are on a curved wall, not straight. Let's see from below how they look like. It's look like something like this. In addition to having a horizontal curve, it has also a vertical curve. If we look from the side, it has a downward and inward slope. You can see that the front lip is usually forward. However, these are the basic rules of a standard face. Well, it's different for different faces. For example, when lower part of the skull, the lower jawbone is forward, so undoubtedly her or his lower lip is forward too. Well, we can simplify the shape of the lips like this. Pay attention to the slope of the surface and their angles. You can see that the upper lip has a relatively smooth slope facing inward and the lower lip is curved and facing outward. It's very important that the main point of the lips form these two lines which are close in top and the distance increase when they come down. Another important volume is the corners of the mouth, which is slightly raised. The inflation of these corners is due to the connection of a series of muscles at this point. A few muscles are connected here that do the job of opening the mouth, pulling the lips, pulling them together. So this is the reason of this inflation. Now I want to draw different type of the lips. And some of them upper lip is smaller, thinner, something like this. Well, next one, when both upper and downer lip are the same size, something like this. Third one, there are some lips that the corners goes down. You see, in the first one, corners go to the sides and maybe a bit up. Well, in some faces, lips are like a tiny line, like this. In addition to their ratio of thickness and general angles, some lips have corners, which are broken, have angles. Some are perfectly round and curved. And well, the mouths of some people are like a mouth of the fish. The upper part is short and causes their mouth stay open. And finally, there are infinitely different lips shape. At the end, thanks for watching my video. I hope you've learned something new and subscribe my channel.